back to another video. Today's video, we're going to a group ride. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going round the bays up to the spot we usually ride at because it's only a good bit of road, and then we're going to go get some burgers to eat later. It's around 12:30 at the moment, so it'll be sort of like early dinner. Alright, we have a total of about 45 bikers. Is it? It's a race bike, dude, with a tiny headlight. Dude, they're still going over the bridge. That's insane. Alright, I'm currently at the front of the pack, but I was gonna sit at the back, but the people I'm riding with, I sort of know how they ride, which is better than being at the back and not knowing people that I'm riding with. You know, if that makes sense. Fucking idiot, dude. If you're a road biker cyclist, and you ride side by side on a hill, you're an asshole, bang. All these little downhill kids, I used to be one of them. I used to come down this road doing a fat manual, roll the clip. Oh yeah, pretty gangster. Pretty gangster indeed. Yeah! dude. The fuck, dude. Fucking idiot, cunt. And why is there someone walking down here, brothers? My fork seals, bro, god damn. Really? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I get to ride an R1. I get to ride an R1. I get to ride an R1. Alright. Thank you.
See you, mate.
Holy fuck! God damn. Holy fuck. Oh! What the fuck? That, yeah. That's not even full throttle, dude. Holy fuck. Holy fuck! Woo! It feels faster than your bike. Okay. God damn. God damn, bruh. I need myself an R1. Holy fuck, dude, I'm in love, dude.
Oh, there you go to get the 21.
Oh, I'm about to make love to this thing, dude. Alright, we're on a Jigsaw 1000. Drop it. that fucking... The brakes are fucking mint. Has it got auto grip? No. Fuck, that clutch release is far out. On my bike, TikTok biker. Powers. Really. Beep, beep. You see my gangster wheelies?
Gangster, man.
Yeah. I can call myself a real TikTok biker now. Power wheelies on a 1000.
Which one you picking?
R1, dude. Fuck a Jexer, bro. Hope he's not going to turn around for me. Right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. I had lots of fun. I got to ride my dream bike, the R1. That was such a sick bike to ride, so I'm hyped. But that also got to ride the G6 R1000, which was also pretty good. Somehow didn't really get the cops called on us, which is always good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I do hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.